Hello folks, today we have a 52-inch Monterey Fan Company ceiling fan. I don't know what the model name is. I think it's Monterey, which seems a little redundant, but who am I to judge? It's an antique brass and it just has your standard oak blades with stencil. Pretty cool. Fan's dated March of 1987, and this was a new in-box find at Habitat. If I can get you over here. And there's the box. Pretty standard box there, but pretty cool to have. It was half price day at Habitat, so I walked away with it for $10. And yeah, there's really not too much to say about it. These kinds of fans really kind of hit home for me, especially the non-filigree sideband. I think that's really cool. And you can see that the pattern on the blade brackets does look a little different than the standard crescent bracket, if you will. But I have no idea who the OEM is, but I do know that this fan does perform quite well for what it is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and turn it on. It does have a little bit of a running hum. And I'm guessing it probably just has a little 153 by 15 motor. Probably nothing too crazy. Low speed is pretty standard. Bringing it up to medium, and medium's actually pretty fast for this fan. And there is a slight wobble. And here's high. It's pretty quick. Definitely kind of surprised me when I first turned it on, but definitely not bad. And we're only drawing about just under 0.6 amps. It's going back and forth between 0.56 and 0.57, so it's a pretty efficient little fan. Only about 67 watts. Not bad. And we'll go ahead and watch it coast. But yeah, this style fan, GE vents with 4 blades, it's pretty timeless. It was a very popular option back in the day, and I remember seeing a lot of these type of fans growing up. But I remember one particular fan at a Papa Gino's restaurant, and I'm not sure if the majority of the country has Papa Gino's, but in the Northeast, if you live in the Northeast or lived in the Northeast at one point, you probably know of Papa Gino's Pizza. And I remember there were 3 of these. I don't know if they were Monterey fan companies, but I remember seeing these 4-bladed GE vent antique brass fans with no filigree sideband, and I thought that was kind of cool. I thought it made the fan look really clean and modern looking, because every other GE vent fan I saw of the time had that filigree sideband. So that's why I picked this one up, because it reminded me of those fans from Papa Gino's, and they were on long down rods too. It was a pretty cool looking install. But again, I don't know if they were Monterey Fan Company. I know that they had just regular oak blades. They didn't have stencil, or at least stencil that I saw, but they were antique brass, they were GE vent, and they did not have the filigree sideband. So again, I thought that was pretty cool. And you know, like most new in-box fans, the bearings are still good, so it took a little while to stop. But there you have it, folks. There's your 52-inch Monterey Fan Company. Monterey. I'll put the model number in the description or in the title, but I don't remember what it was off the top of my head. So thanks for watching.